this is what happens when your browser screws up and the screensaver's going. You can see here's the screensaver, the bubbles in the background, and yet here is Firefox in the foreground telling me that there's a script that's busy. Fail. Of course, I have occasion to test some batteries, and the thing that I use to test it needs a battery of its own. How ironic. I could go downstairs, and probably should go downstairs, and just get a brand new battery. It takes a 9-volt. But I found this on the floor. And I'm curious if this is going to work. So we are going to make an attempt at doing this in one take, no less. Let's see if I can. Probably not. Here we go, we're going to just replace the battery in this, because I'm sure that you all want to see a video of me replacing the battery in a multimeter. Alright. It is snapped together and you have to be careful with it. So let's take out the old battery, which is actually pretty cheap, new liter, extra heavy duty. It's just a standard 9-volt, nothing to it. It actually looks like it's kind of expanded too, which is pretty dangerous, but I didn't get any cramp on my hands. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this all. I'm gonna still try and do it in one take, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to actually do it in one take. Especially if this thing is just not going to sit there. I know what to do. Use a battery to hold up your camcorder. Alright, let's go ahead and try this. I'll put the back on temporarily, or actually I won't. So I'm going to test it. Huh, it works. This is the old battery. It's perfect. It's not brand new, but it does work. We don't get a low battery indicator, but it does actually seem to work. So now I can put it back into its case and get ready to continue using it once again.